Hi everyone, welcome to Multiplication Monday. Before we get started, I wanted to introduce everyone to Beanie. You've all heard a lot about her. Here she is. Beanie, say hi. Wave, go. Beanie, hey, stop. Say, hi everyone. Hi. Okay, so here we go. Multiplication Monday. First, I'm going to show you, review some of our strategies. So for a problem that's like 3 times 7, the first strategy is to draw a picture. You have 3 groups with 7 in each group. So you draw 1, 2, 3 groups. You put 7 in each one. And then you count them up to get your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you have 3 groups, which are the circles, with 7 in each group. You could also do 7 groups with 3 in each. For make an array, you have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, with 7 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that equals 21. So remember, an array makes a rectangle. It would be in a rectangle if you traced around the outside. You could flip that and do 7 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with 3 columns, and that would give you the same answer. Remember, our commutative property says that it doesn't matter what order the numbers are in, your answer will be the same. You could also skip count, so you'd have 7, 14, 21, or 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Or you could do repeated addition. So you have 3 7s, 7 plus 7 plus 7, which equals 21. That's your 3 groups of 7. Or you could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 21. So those are our strategies. So, I'm going to take a picture of a paper that looks like this and send it to you. You will, on a notebook paper like this, you'll just write it out. You don't have to print it from the computer, from the picture I send. You can write your own. So, Multiplication Monday, your problem is 4 times 6. The first thing you're going to do is draw it. So I'm going to draw 4 groups. There's my 4 groups, and I'm going to put 6 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 6 in each group, and I'm going to count them to get my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So my answer for 4 times 6 is 24. I'm also going to make an array. So I'm going to have 4 rows with 6 in each one. So I'm going to start my first row. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's 1 row with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each one. I need 4 rows just like that. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So that equals 24. For both of these, I could flip it so that I had 6 and 4 instead of 4 and 6. Now for the next one, it says skip count. So I'm going to skip count by 4s 6 times. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And if you're not sure, you have 4, 8, and then, oh shoot, what comes next? You start at the next number, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you count 4 and then write it down and keep going. Now I have a word problem at the bottom. I also made a chart to remind us of our word problem steps. Remember, first we read the problem, then we circle the important information, we underline the question, we write an equation and solve it, and then the last step, which we always forget, is to check to make sure our answer makes sense, make sure it's reasonable. So I did an example here. It says, Miss Murphy bought 8 packs of pencils. Each pack has 7 pencils. How many pencils does Miss Murphy have? So that was step 1, read it. Step 2, circle the important information. 8 packs and 7 pencils is important, and each pack is important too, because that means it's the same thing in each one. My question I underlined, that's step 3. How many pencils does Miss Murphy have? Step 4 is to write an equation. I have 8 packs with 7 in each one, so 8 times 7. And I drew a picture to solve it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are my 8 packs. And I put 7 in each one. And when I counted them, I got 56. Now to check my answer, I'm going to say to myself, let me think. This is multiplication. So my answer has to be bigger than the 2 numbers that I'm multiplying together. Is 56 bigger than 8? Yes. Is it bigger than 7? Yes. So that's reasonable, and then I could recount to make sure that that's correct. Or I could do it in another way to make sure I get the same answer. So maybe I would draw an array and see if I get the same answer. Okay, and I will take pictures of both of those charts and put them online so that you have them to refer back to. So now I have my word problem. Delilah bought 6 packs of gum. Each pack had 4 pieces of gum in it. How many pieces of gum did Delilah have? So I'm going to, that was step 1, I read it. Step 2 is circle the important information. So she has 6 packs of gum. She has 4 pieces in each pack. And then the next step, so I circled the numbers, the important information. Now I'm going to underline the question. How many pieces of gum did Delilah buy? So I underline the question, and then I'm going to write my equation, and I'm going to solve it. She has 6 packs with 4 in each, so that would be 6 times 4. And then I'm going to draw a picture. So there's my equation, 6 times 4. My picture will be 6 groups. That's my 6 packs with 4 pieces of gum in each one. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put 4 pieces in each pack. So now I count them all up. I'm going to skip count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So my answer is 24. And I always want to label. So it's going to be 24 pieces of gum. Now, I'm going to ask myself, the numbers I multiplied are 6 and 4. Is my answer, 24, bigger than both of those numbers? Yes, it is, so that's reasonable. I can solve it another way by skip counting, and I'm going to say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So that's my checking my answer. You will do that on Multiplication Monday. From now on, you'll have different problems just like that. I look forward to seeing your work. So what you'll do is you'll solve them on a piece of notebook paper or whatever kind of paper you have that you can come up with to solve them on. and then you will take a picture and you'll upload them onto the Remind app, and I will be able to see it. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Remind, and I will answer it. Good luck, hope this works, and we'll see you tomorrow.